Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix mouse cursor or pointer disappeared in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to press Windows key and X key together and using the down arrow key you just need to select a device manager and press enter to open it. And now press in keyboard tab key and now as you can see now a device has been selected. Now select the down arrow key in your keyboard and now expand the mice and other pointing devices using right arrow key and just use the down arrow key to select your mouse driver and you just need to right click on it guys. To right click this you just need to press shift key plus F10 key in our keyboard and this right click page will open up guys. Now just press down arrow key and select this uninstall device. Press enter and uninstall, press enter option. And now you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and X key in our keyboard and using the down arrow key come down and shut down or sign out. Use the right arrow key to open the expand and just use the down arrow key to select the restart option guys and select press enter. And after restarting your PC, mouse cursor will appear. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.